And we're continuing to get you the latest on the migrant crisis in India, and we've now boarded also the Shramik special train. This is the first channel to get you a reality check on the provisions provided for the migrants in these trains. My colleague Ashutosh Mishra tracks the journey of migrants from Ludhiana to Motihari.
India's largest ever internal evacuation drive. Nearly 3,300 Shramik special trains, ferrying over 45 lakh migrants and counting. India Today, the first channel to board Shramik special train, did a reality check on safety and amenities for passengers. Our journey began at Bihar's Betia railway station. Where a train from Ludhiana carrying migrant labourers is yet to arrive.
These are the help desk for the registration set up by the district administration. Right after upon their arrival, that's the health team officials. They will be screening all these commuters, those who are arriving, and then after providing food packets and water bottle, they will be taken to the respective blocks for the quarantine period.
हम लोग की कोशिश है कि हमारे जो प्रवासी हैं उन्हें कोई तरह की दिक्कत ना हो, और हमने सारा चीज का ध्यान रखा है. हमने बाहर में टेंट भी लगा रखा है और टेंट लगा करके शेड भी दिया है. खाना की व्यवस्था आपने कहा, खाना है, पानी है.
Soon the train chugs in and passengers start getting down. They are made to stand on circled spots to maintain distancing.
First, they are being registered, being offered sanitizer, and then after the medical screening, there will be thermal screening of these migrants. Because following the protocol, those who are the symptomatic will be taken to the medical care, and those who are asymptomatic will be taken for the quarantine period by the administration.
The train then takes us to Motihari in 45 minutes. The labourers reveal they were provided with meals and water during the journey.
खाना पीना दो जगह मिला था. एक तो पंजाब में ही खाना दे के भेजा था, एक जगह बरेली में दिया था खाना, तो बाकी यहाँ पे मिला बिस्कुट और कुरकुरे का पैकेट और सर पानी मिला था.
In another compartment, we find two labourers sleeping on the floor since berths are occupied.
जगह नहीं मिली.
जगह नहीं मिली.
कहाँ से आ रहे हैं?
लुधियाना से आ रहे हैं.
ऐसे ही सोते हुए ही?
हाँ, बैठकर सोकर.
The immediate worry is loss of livelihood and bleak future.
तो फिर तसला फावला चला लेंगे?
जी जी करेंगे करेंगे.
पहले किया है?
जी, नाम भी है हम लोग का. जी.
हमको खाने की व्यवस्था भी करेगी सरकार, पैसा देगी, खाने की व्यवस्था करेगी, तब ना हम बाहर नहीं जाएंगे. फिर अपने घर में सेफ्टी से रहेंगे. बच्चे बच्चे इन लोग को कहाँ से खिलाएंगे अगर सरकार हमको मदद नहीं करेगी तो.
Hopes of these migrants are now pinned on relaxation of lockdown and resumption of economic activities. On board Shramik train with Ashutosh, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.